It smells like... Hi, somebody. Hi, somebody in here. Somebody. Welcome to Rebel for a Spell, where it's all about you and me and how we step outside of our comfort zone so that we can be the best version of ourselves. Darling, the subbies have made a request. Thank you, Deidre and Trace, for requesting this Insomniac, peace, self-care, love affair every day situation video. As I've said in many of the videos, your girl, yes, I have been an insomniac most of my life, and it is not pleasant. So today I'm offering this humble video for you, and I hope it helps you, because I know, especially in this time of quarantine and isolation, sleep is a luxury. A deep night's sleep is a luxury, and I don't take it for granted at all. So let me tell you, when I get like 5-6 hours rest, sometimes I get 8. I know, it's a shocker. So I said, you know what? Let me share with you some things I do to just help me when you girl, that's me, get right back down to mellow, baby. Because what we hold in our minds reflects in our body, shows up in our lives. So peace and serenity has been the focal point of my ability to nurture a space in which I live. Especially when I'm about 5-6 hours before I go to sleep, I make sure that the atmosphere is very serene and very welcoming for your girl to get a little bit of, you know, peace and relaxation. These are hydrangeas. I love these fresh, snuggle wuggly. You know, some women, by the way, you know, give them the diamonds, give them the Louboutin shoes and the this and that. Your girl, just put your girl's, you know, feet in like the water, the ocean. Or give me some freshly cut flowers or plants. I love plants. I keep them around the house to clean the air, and then makes your girl very happy. Eucalyptus especially, it just makes the house with these hydrangeas, it smells like it smells like a fresh, minty, invigorating waterfall. That's what it smells like. So before I go to sleep, before I go to rest, this is my routine I'm sharing with you, and throughout the day I do different things to help you girl out. So I will tell you here in this video. I hope you enjoyed my laughs.
How do you know you met that someone you're meant to be with? Well, all I know is I listen to my spirit, yeah. Told you I used to be a liar, so baby, I don't care. Told you I had problems with commitments, but sugar, I'll be here, no doubt. Sometimes when I get overwhelmed, just wanna sit quietly. But most times when I miss my man, my baby, I get damn angry. So good, yeah, so good, yeah, so good. So good, yeah, so good, yeah, so good. Tomboy was I as a child, got scars to prove. Saw him kiss each and every single one. How can I not love you? Even the time of the month, scream and shout. You soothe me. Yours yesterday was so weak, made me tea, rub my head gently. So good, yeah. So good, yeah. So good, yeah. So good, yeah. So good. Baby, I appreciate the time you take, respectful of my space, and I appreciate the way you make me feel so loved. I appreciate the time you take. Will always be your mate, and I'm so proud to share your life, be at your side for all time. So good, yeah, so good. Letting her know you feel me. So good, yeah. So good, yeah. So good. So good, yeah. So good, yeah. So good. So good, so good, so good, yeah, baby. Yeah. I love you, 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 yes I do. One more time, sing it. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, yes I do, baby. You know it's true, you know it's true. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you. So good, yeah. So good, yeah. Come on, sing it. Come on, sing it. I love you, I love you, I
Another
love
video is waiting for you.
you. Yeah.